In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to extract a RAR file in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. And here at the search bar, please type for WinRAR space download and click on the enter key in your keyboard. And in that way, you'll be able to be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first one under winrar.com. Click on this link. And the moment you click on it, you would be navigated to a new page where you can download this WinRAR. So here you can see a download button where you can download this WinRAR for English 64-bit. Okay. So Windows 11 has a 64-bit PC. Okay. So you can also navigate here under download WinRAR and RAR latest version. And here you can select any of the WinRAR version according to the language that you prefer. Okay. So if you have Arabic, you can select this one, okay? So just select any of the language here that you would understand or that is your first language, and then select that one and then click on the download, okay? So once you have downloaded this one, you need to install it in your PC. In my case, I have already installed it in my case, but in your case, if not yet, then install it. Okay, once you have successfully installed it, you can now close the window and navigate to the RAR file that you would like to extract with. Okay, so there are two ways on how to extract it. First is you can double tap that RAR file, and in that way you would be able to bring up this window. Okay, where here it will show you the documents that you have contained on that specific RAR file. All you need to do is you need to select the document that you would like to convert with or to extract with, and click on extract to, and this would appear. So from that, click on this down arrow key, and you can choose the location that you would like to select, or you can simply select it here, and by that you would be able to select the location where you want it to be saved and click on OK. And once done, close the window, and there you have that. You have just successfully extract the RAR file, which contains particularly the pictures. Another way on how to extract it is that you can make a right click here while selecting it, and you can click on extract all, or you can simply use the WinRAR tool, the program that you have installed earlier, and click on extract to. In a few moments, you would be able to extract it here, and a new file folder would be created or be extracted. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.